these people retail, they have to increase the price.
The state government is now contemplating to implement smart meters in Meghalaya following pressure from the central government. Power Minister A.T. Mondal said that the central government has mandated the project not only in Meghalaya but throughout the country. Mondal said that this move will lead to around 800 meter readers being no longer required and they would be redeployed.
So 800 of them are there. If they are not required, where we'll put them? So maybe redeployment or rearrangement, something like that. So we are working very cautiously to see that this sector is having some hope as far as the consumers are concerned. For example, the distribution is missing because loss is on AT&C and transmission and distribution losses are there.